Hey guys, so today we are going to be practicing finding words that begin with the letter S. So before we begin, we're going to go over the sound that S makes. The way I like to think about the letter is a snake. That's because the letter S looks like a snake and snakes make the same sound. So an S sound goes like a snake. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to write a few letters and we're going to pick out the word that begins with the letter S. So first, let's start with this list. We have okay, so the first word that we have is snail. So let's think really hard about this one. Snail. Does it start with the letter S? Snail. Yes. Snail starts with the letter S. So let's look at cake. Ache. Does that make the sound? No. So what about tail? Does tail make the sound? Tail. No, it does not. So let's move on to the word ball. Does ball make the S sound? All. No. Ball does not make the S sound. So let's try this again with a new set of words. So I'm going to write these words out for you. We have okay. So the first word that we have is sock. Song. Song. So we're right here. So, song. Does song start with the letter S? Song. Yes. Song starts with the letter S. What about doll? All. No. Now, sock. 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 Yes. It does start with the letter S. And lastly, we have flip. Flip. Flip does not start with the letter S. Okay, and now for our last set of words. I'm going to write these real quick. Okay, so our first word that we have is fork. Does fork start with the letter S? Fork. No. Fork does not start with the letter S. What about sand? And does sand start with the letter S? Yes, it does. So what about surf? Surf. Does surf start with the letter S? Yes. What about dock? Dock. Does dock start with the letter S? No. Okay, so great job, everybody. Today we learned how to pick out words that start with the letter S. I would like you to keep practicing with the worksheets I sent home, and soon enough, you'll be making S sounds just like a snake. Have a good weekend, guys.